Hi, I am Manik Mitra from Bajaj Auto Limited. Bajaj is world renowned company and it is one of the leading company in the world. And we are at almost 94% market share in Telangana. And in across India, we were delivering 78% market share. And we are into all kind of three-wheeler vehicles like passenger and cargo. In cargo EV, we have two vehicles. One is 9.0 kilowatt battery and one is 12.0 kilowatt battery. So in these two vehicles, we will be like giving range from 150 km to 180 km. And we have passenger vehicles also that is at 9.0 kilowatt battery and that will deliver 153 km. So these two vehicles are like very sustainable, very beneficial for environment, and we are delivering this to all customer. We are bringing employment to the customers who want to deliver use three-wheeler vehicle and run into the city.
So majorly, what is the benefit we are getting from the vehicle?
So the major point, what the benefits are, like there are two things.
Okay.
The first point is like when people will use EV vehicles, the cost of using fuels like diesel, petrol or CNG, that will reduce. And in case of EV, the cost will remain only 10% or 15%. So let us say for 150 kilometers, a customer has to fill up 5-liter diesel, right? So in case of EV, they have to only make a full charge and they can run. And
So
for
what is the
full-
time duration for the charging?
So for a full charge, it will take 4 hours. It's a 12 kilowatt battery, so it will take 4 hours to full charge the battery. So there is one. And second, after full charge, you can run up to 180 kilometers in this vehicle.
180 kilometers.
180 kilometers.
180
That is
kilometers.
one of the best in the industry.
Okay, 180. So majorly it will hardly take how many maybe hours, duration hours, kilometer per hour.
Like you can run it for entire day, right?
Entire means per hour how many kilometers will
We have a speed of like 50 kilometer per hour. That is
Okay.
the highest speed.
okay,
People can run at a minimum basic speed of 40 kilometer per hour.
okay,
Right. So that is the basic speed. So we have two range. One is like people can go at a like one is normal mode, drive mode, and one is normal mode. So in drive mode they can go up to 50, they can get better pickup and higher power, and they can go up to 50 kilometer per hour.
So any advantages in inside the cabin like any
The cabin is spacious and it's comfortable for a customer or a driver to drive for the entire day.
Okay,
Because like delivering the items,
okay,
they cannot do in a 1 hour, right? It will
Okay.
take almost 7, 8, 10 hours, right? So they can load it one time and they can run it for the entire day, and driver can sit around for the entire day, drive and deliver the things without any kind of fatigue.
okay. Any
So
safety
they will very
measurements inside?
Yes.
Any safety measurements in inside like
Yeah,
any
we
driver
have,
safety?
Like in this vehicle, generally we have one is onboard charger. That is
Okay.
one major thing. So nobody has to carry charger around.
Okay,
And second point is that we have fire extinguishers also. So that can be helpful to the customers.
okay,
And we have like it's a two gear automatic transmission,
okay,
right? And at the same time there is a lever on the right side.
okay.
With that people can see like what is the charge left, how much charge is left, how much kilometer they can run now. So everything can be visible in the dashboard.
Got it. So anything more?
So this is cargo and this is very beneficial for the customer, and they can any kind of customer who are running into the city within a range of like 70 to 80 kilometers up and down, they can use this vehicle and get benefit, and they can save up to more than 12 to 15,000 rupees per month. So that is the best part what a customer can get. That is the advantage of saving money. So this is from Bajaj Auto Cargo EV 1.0. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, thank you so much.